Hi guys, today we talk about how can you disable voiceover on your iPhone. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first you just click on settings here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, just keep going down here. You click here on home screen, you just click on it. You come to, sorry, we'll go back. So you click here on accessibility, sorry, you click here on accessibility. You come to next step here, you click here on voiceover. And here can you disable it. Like you see, it's disabled with us now, but if it's active with you here, can you disable it on your iPhone? That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.